on, y'all? How y'all doing today? Doing good? Need some energy? Need to pick me up? I got just a thing for you. My name is Bryan Lewis, as was mentioned previously, and I'm humbled, honored, and many other things to lead our Emerging Leaders program with Trellis Group. Our Emerging Leaders program has been around since 2017, and it's a program that engages, supports, mentors, platforms, and resources the next generation of sustainability professionals of color. And I've been going around this conference doing facilitated a couple of sessions, and I've been asking a lot of people, what inspires you? And on that note, I guess I have to ask myself that same question. And what inspires me is the question of how do we not only facilitate inclusion within our sustainability industry, but how do we lead from inclusion into belonging? How do we facilitate belonging in our sustainability industry? And our Emerging Leaders program is Trellis's effort to expand opportunity for underserved professionals in this industry. And I'm really excited to introduce our Emerging Leaders for this cohort, because this cohort has an amazing group of young professionals who are all in the front right here, some folks who are even looking for jobs right here and right now. We've built a relationship, we built a network of over 300 emerging leaders, emerging professionals of color, many of which continue to engage with our initiatives and our conferences and come back as speakers, come back as facilitators, come back as mentors and guides for future generations. And many of you all have had an opportunity either to connect with them one-on-one or to attend our Emerging Leaders Breakfast this morning to really get an insight into their dreams, their goals, and their aspirations, and then also to mentor them yourselves. And so I'm very proud of the way that the Trellis community continues to engage with the next generation. But with that being said, I'd be remiss not to really hype up our emerging leaders. We got people like Arada. Arada's been my friend for almost a decade, and it's really amazing to see the transition and growth from a young professional of color who works in education, is now leading her own sustainability initiative called the Chip Bag Project, making difference for many folks in the city of Detroit and beyond. We got people like Saxon. Saxon leads his own solar installation company and consulting company, and he's doing amazing work not just with his solar installation, but with indigenous communities and making sure indigenous communities have an opportunity to see themselves in their environment. We got folks like Trey, who's a sustainability director at a packaging company and leads a team of people to make sure that packaging is not only sustainable, but safe. We got people like Daisy, who works at Pepsi. We got people like Miranda, who's an amazing scientist and interested in microplastics and technology. We got, I'm on stage, I'm gonna blank. We got 3 professors in our cohort, people that are leading fashion, people that are leading textiles, people that are leading initiatives that are making a change not only for our community, but for the sustainability industry broadly. And I'd be remiss if I didn't ask them to stand. And please, Circularity, can you give us a warm welcome for our amazing emerging leaders, not just of Circularity 25, but all of our emerging leaders, if you're around the space. It is really, really important, you all can sit down, I don't want to make y'all stand up the whole time. It's really, really important that we not just talk about it, but really be about it in terms of supporting the next generation.